Technology is revolutionizing how we find employment. AI tools now help job seekers streamline applications and increase their chances of landing interviews. This presentation explores how to leverage artificial intelligence in your job search effectively and ethically. The challenge: job hunting is time-consuming. Most applications receive no response. The process becomes mentally draining. The solution: AI can automate repetitive tasks. It matches your skills with job requirements. It helps you apply to more positions quickly. The outcome: more applications mean more opportunities. Smart automation increases your chances of success. You save time for high-value activities. Job application automation uses AI to streamline the job search process, handling routine tasks while delivering several key advantages. Definition: job application automation uses AI to streamline the job search process. It handles routine tasks like submitting resumes and completing applications. Saves time. Automation eliminates hours of repetitive work, allowing you to focus on preparing for interviews and networking. Increased volume. Apply to more jobs faster, increasing your chances of landing interviews and receiving offers. Better quality. Standardizes application quality and reduces emotional fatigue throughout your job search process. Time saved. Job seekers report saving up to 75% of their application time using AI tools. More applications. AI users submit 2.5x more applications than traditional job seekers. Using AI. Over half of recent graduates now use some form of AI in their job search. Resume builders. AI analyzes job descriptions. It tailors your resume automatically. Keywords match employer ATS systems. Job matching algorithms. Pattern recognition finds suitable positions. Compatibility scores rank opportunities. Recommendations improve over time. Application bots. Automated form completion saves time. Multiple applications run simultaneously. Follow-up emails maintain engagement. Transparency. Should you disclose AI use? Quality. Maintaining authenticity matters. Fairness. Access inequality concerns. Employer impact. How it affects hiring teams. Automated applications raise important ethical questions. Balance efficiency with honesty. Consider the impact on both sides of the hiring process. Digital resume. Create a machine-readable version. Include structured data fields. Store in multiple formats: PDF, docx, text. Job search criteria. Define your ideal position clearly. Know your non-negotiables. Establish salary and location parameters. Target job boards. Research platforms in your industry. Create accounts on major sites. Verify email addresses for notifications. Research options. Compare AI job platforms. Check reviews and success rates. Consider free trials before committing. Create account. Sign up with professional email. Complete profile fully. Enable necessary permissions. Security setup. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Review privacy policies carefully. Resume details. Upload your existing resume. AI will parse and structure your information. Verify data accuracy after import. Work history. Add detailed job descriptions. Include measurable achievements. Specify dates and employers accurately. Skills and qualifications. List technical and soft skills. Add certifications with dates. Input education credentials. Ideal job. Dream position specifications that align with your career goals and skills. Be clear about what constitutes your perfect role. Location range. Remote or geographic boundaries that work for your lifestyle. Consider commute tolerance or virtual workplace needs. Industry sectors. Target industries and companies where your expertise adds value. Research growing sectors that match your interests. Compensation requirements. Salary and benefits needs that support your financial goals. Determine your minimum acceptable package. Clear parameters help AI find relevant positions. Be specific about must-haves and nice-to-haves. Set realistic expectations while maintaining ambition. Application frequency. Decide how many jobs to apply for daily. Balance quantity with quality. Avoid overwhelming yourself with responses. Job targeting. Set matching threshold percentages. Define experience level requirements. Exclude unwanted job types. Cover letter generation. Configure personalization levels. Add custom talking points. Set tone and formality preferences. Create examples. Manually complete sample applications. Review results. Analyze AI-generated content. Provide feedback. Rate and correct outputs. Test knowledge. Verify improved performance. Training improves accuracy and personalization. The more examples you provide, the better your AI performs. Invest time upfront for better results later. Most AI tools connect with major job platforms. Authorize API access for each site. Verify connections with test searches. Some boards may limit automation. Research terms of service carefully. Personalization. AI customizes each letter for specific jobs. It references company values and culture. Keywords from job descriptions are incorporated naturally. Optimization. Length and tone adjust automatically. Language matches industry standards. Achievement highlights align with job requirements. Human touch. Review before submission. Add personal anecdotes. Ensure authenticity through careful editing. Data extraction. AI scans application forms. It identifies field types and requirements. It matches them with your stored data. Form completion. Information flows automatically. Experience details populate relevant sections. Education and skills map appropriately. Custom questions. AI generates responses to standard questions. It handles "why this company" queries. It creates examples of past experiences. Final review. System flags uncertain entries. You verify critical information. Final human check ensures quality. Log reason if available. Low. Offer extended. Compare and evaluate. Urgent. AI tracks all applications automatically. Dashboards visualize your pipeline. Smart notifications prevent missed opportunities. Job analysis. AI examines position requirements. It identifies key skills to emphasize. It highlights company values and culture. Question prediction. Common industry questions are generated. Position-specific scenarios are suggested. Technical assessment topics are anticipated. Response practice. AI provides feedback on your answers. It evaluates clarity and relevance. It suggests improvements for impact. Company research. Recent news is aggregated. Competitive analysis is provided. Employee reviews are summarized. Track key metrics. Monitor application-to-interview ratios to understand effectiveness and make data-driven decisions. Quality over quantity. Notice how fewer, better targeted applications consistently lead to more interview opportunities. Adjust based on data. Refine your strategy using concrete performance metrics rather than relying on guesswork. Automatic detection. AI identifies rejection emails. It categorizes by reason when available. It tracks rejection patterns across companies. Response generation. Professional thank you notes are drafted. Feedback requests are created when appropriate. Connections are maintained for future opportunities. Learning integration. Rejection data improves targeting. Skills gaps are identified. Application strategies adjust automatically. Manual interventions. Review high-priority applications personally. Add custom details for dream jobs. Write completely original cover letters occasionally. Authenticity check. Ensure AI outputs match your voice. Add personal anecdotes where appropriate. Verify all claimed skills are accurate. Relationship building. Connect with actual humans at target companies. Follow up personally after interviews. Network beyond the application process. No response, 65%. Most applications receive no feedback, creating a black hole effect in your job search. Rejection, 20%. Direct rejections provide closure and sometimes valuable feedback for future applications. Initial screen, 10%. These preliminary assessments indicate potential interest from employers. Interview, 4%. The critical stage where candidates can directly showcase their qualifications. Offer, 1%. The ultimate goal, receiving a formal invitation to join the company. AI analytics reveal application outcomes. Data helps optimize your approach. Use insights to focus on high-probability opportunities. Over-automation. Don't apply to everything automatically. Quality matters more than quantity. Set reasonable daily limits. Generic content. Review AI outputs regularly. Add personal details. Ensure industry-specific terminology is correct. Neglecting research. AI can't replace company research. Understand cultures before applying. Identify true fit beyond keywords. Poor tracking. Monitor all applications carefully. Prepare for unexpected responses. Don't miss interview invitations. Tier your approach. Create A, B, and C categories. Spend more time on A-tier dream jobs. Let AI handle most of the B and C tiers. Set daily limits. Apply to 5 to 15 positions daily. Quality drops with higher volumes. Follow-up becomes unmanageable beyond certain numbers. Scheduled reviews. Weekly audit application quality. Sample random submissions for review. Adjust strategy based on response rates. Data protection. Review AI tool privacy policies and understand how your data is stored. Ensure GDPR, the CCPA, compliance and verify data deletion options are available. Terms of service. Be aware that some job boards prohibit automation, which may result in account bans. Always check for API usage limitations and respect rate limits and fair use policies. Personal data security. When using AI for job applications, your resume and personal details are being processed and stored. Always verify the security measures in place to protect your sensitive information. Compliance requirements. Understand the legal implications of automated applications in different regions and ensure your approach complies with local regulations regarding automated systems. 2023 to 2024. Basic automation of applications. Cover letter generation. Simple form filling. 2025 to 2026. Advanced personality matching. Video interview preparation. Skill verification systems. 2027 to 2028. Holistic career planning. Predictive job market analysis. Automated skill acquisition recommendations. 2029 to 2030. Virtual job agents. Continuous background matching. Skill to opportunity marketplaces. Software developer. James applied to 200+ positions using AI. He received 15 interviews in 3 weeks. Landed senior role at tech startup. Marketing specialist. Sarah career switched from teaching. AI helped identify transferable skills. Found marketing role after 50 targeted applications. Healthcare administrator. Miguel used AI for executive-level search. Quality over quantity approach. Received competing offers within 1 month. Regular updates. Refresh your profile monthly. Add new skills and accomplishments. Update job preferences as they change. Continuous learning. Study successful applications. Learn from interview feedback. Incorporate improvements into AI training. Personalization. Customize templates for industry sectors. Create company-specific talking points. Develop unique value propositions. Data analysis. Review success metrics weekly. Identify patterns in responses. Adjust strategies based on results. AI applications. Automation handles volume. Networking. Personal connections build trust. Direct outreach. Bypass application systems. Industry events. Create in-person opportunities. The most successful job searches combine approaches. Let AI handle routine applications while you focus on relationship building. Personal connections often lead to opportunities that never appear online. Interview scheduling. AI can manage your calendar. It suggests optimal time slots. It sends reminders and preparation materials. Mock interviews. Practice with AI interviewer. Get feedback on responses. Improve communication skills continuously. Offer evaluation. Compare compensation packages objectively. Analyze benefits and growth potential. Generate negotiation talking points. Follow-up communications. Create personalized thank you notes. Set reminders for check-ins. Maintain professional relationships long-term. Work smarter. Leverage AI strategically. Stay human. Maintain authenticity. Continuous improvement. Learn from data and feedback. Balanced approach. Combine automation and personal touch. AI job application tools transform the job search process. They save time and increase opportunities. But success ultimately depends on how wisely you use these tools. The future belongs to those who combine technology with authentic human connection.